Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can redeem MetaQuest gift card. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. To do so, it's a very easy process, so make sure to watch the video till the end. And here we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to access our browser, or you can open up your particular MetaQuest app as well. And the first step would be signing in. Once you have signed in, you're gonna go to your wallet section if you're using an app to get the redeem code section. Otherwise, from the website, you're going to tap on your profile icon on top right corner, and then from over here you will find this option of redeem codes and gift cards right away. Now once you're over here, you just have to make sure that you have the physical gift card upon you and you remember the correct information. Enter your code right over here, and once you're done, tap on this redeem code option. Once you have added a valid code over here from the MetaQuest gift card, you will find this redeem code lighting up. Tap on redeem code option and your code will be redeemed. That's it. That's how you can do it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.